Hey everybody, Jeff here, East Texas ADV. Hey, today's video I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick little on how to remove the speed collar or a governor from a 2016 KFX 90 by Kawasaki. Don't go anywhere. We're gonna get in the shop and we're gonna tear this thing down. Anyway, thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. There we go. So this is the way it sits from the factory. Okay, this is stock. Top speed is about 15 miles an hour. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to pull this off. This is the tooth for the Kickstarter. Okay. We're going to pull that off. Okay. Now we're going to pull the belt off. Okay, and we're going to set it to the side. Now, this is the collar. This right here is the collar. Okay? And what that does is it prevents the clutch from closing. I'll show you what I mean. Okay? So what this does, okay, this part moves, okay? So this piece right here, okay, this is stationary. It does not move. Okay? It does not move. The part that moves is this piece in here. Can you see that piece moving inside? So this piece moves. Okay? See how that can't move very far? That's it. Okay? So what they do, this is a governor basically. Okay? So when you pull this off, watch this. See how much further that moves? See that? So what that does is that moves the belt, instead of the belt running up to here, the belt goes all the way to the edge. And the further up this belt comes, the faster it spins the clutch. So this is like it's a 0.5 to 1. This is about a 0.75 to 1. It's almost, okay, a 1-to-1 ratio. So that gives you more top speed. This will give you about another 10 miles per hour. So it's a good upgrade. Cheap. It's easy to do. We're going to go ahead and get it buttoned all back up and go from there. So let's go ahead and pull this off. Now guys, be careful because there are little teeny tiny splines in here that need to be matched up with this. If you don't, you'll bind it up and you will have a world of hurt. Okay? Alright, make sure that's good and set up on there. this back on. Okay. Don't forget. Oopsie. Don't forget your starter gear. I'll Loctite this once I know everything. Okay. I will Loctite this nut once I know everything's good, because I've been having an issue with it, with the Kickstarter. Ready? Okay. See what we got here. Let's see if it works. Okay, see, it's not returning. And I don't know why, guys. It's not returning. Now, when you loosen everything up, it kicks back. FYI, if this nut is not tight enough, this will bind up and it will not release. Okay? The next thing I've run into is the teeth will still hit on this if this is not tight enough. So I've been really afraid to torque down on this thing because I didn't want to damage anything. So we're going to tighten it down just a little bit more. And this is just trial and error, guys. Okay? I don't know what it's supposed to be torqued to. I don't have any of the specs. But the tighter I go, the less it drags. So we're going to go ahead and see what happens. Let's see what happens. Like I said last time, there's a little bit of drag. Okay. Oh, turn the gas on. Good. Alright. So we'll go ahead and finish getting it buttoned up. So you saw what happens. If that nut is not tight enough, this will bind up. We're going to get this thing all buttoned up. We'll say thanks for watching. And please hit that subscribe button and the bell so you get future notifications.